In this video, I'll show you how to cook pork pata humba. Here we have 1 kilo pork pata already sliced. Let's pan fry for 3 minutes to remove the water. After 3 minutes, let's put it in a plate. Let's put 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in hot frying pan. Let's put minced garlic. Next is the onion. Put the sliced pork pata. Add 3 tablespoons soy sauce. One sachet magic sarap for seasoning. Put 3 cups of coconut juice. Add 4 pieces spring onions. Additional 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon nor liquid seasoning. Add also black pepper. Put the cover and cook for 1 hour. After 1 hour of cooking, guys, the meat is very soft and tender. Let's put 1 sachet pork and beans. Let's put 3 tablespoons of black beans. Let's add banana blossom. It is optional. Here we go, already cooked pork pata humba. Tara, let's eat. Thank you for watching my videos, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next video.